Hello students, this is Miss Hemlata Bath and I welcome you to my class. This video is made on the lesson A, N and the. Students, I did not make any video on the lesson near and far. So if you like to complete this lesson, you may go on your own way. Okay? So in this lesson, we are going to know some rules of placing A, N and the before words correctly. Okay, so we must know, even we must learn the all rules nicely. Here in page number 60 I have written some rules of placing A and N before words. Okay, the rules are: A is used before a consonant. A is used before a consonant. For example, a boy, a girl. So if you notice, boy, this word begins with B. So B is a consonant. Similarly, girl, it begins with a consonant G. So we place A before a consonant. A is used before such vowels that have the sound of U. So this is not the spelling. This is not written for spelling. It is written as a sound, U sound. A U, a uniform, a university. In these given examples, A U, E. U starts with the letter E. E is a vowel, okay, and it sounds like U. That is why we must place A. Uniform. So uniform, this word begins with the sound of U. That is why we must put A here. Similarly, university. It begins with the sound of U. That is why we must put A here. But students, we cannot put A before umbrella because umbrella does not begin with the sound of U. Okay? Rule number 3 for A. A is used before O when it is sounded as in one. Here also, this is not written for spelling. It is written as a sound, one. So A, 1 rupee note, but not A object, because object does not sound as wa, right? So we cannot put A before object, but A before 1 rupee note. Okay? Now we will know the rules of placing an. An is used before a vowel. So you know it well that A, E, I, O, U, these 5 letters are our vowels in English alphabet. So we use an before a vowel. An eye, an idiot. So in these examples, E, I, these are vowels. You have to look at the first letter of the words. E, I, they are vowels. So you must put an here. Okay? Rule number 2 for an is used before a consonant beginning with a vowel sound. An MA, an MD, MA, MD, although M and DZM both are consonants but they begin with a vowel sound. So we have to put an before them. Okay? Now we will understand the rules of placing the. We use the before nouns we already know about or have mentioned before. So we use the before nouns that have already spoken of once. For example, the teacher who gave me a pencil is very kind. What is the name of the boy with the dog? Rule number 2. We use the before the names of famous buildings, rivers, mountains, newspapers, holy books and specific directions. So the names of rivers, the names of mountains, the names of newspapers, holy books, specific directions and the names of famous buildings. We put the before them. For example, the Taj Mahal is located on the banks of the Yamuna. Taj Mahal is the name of is the name of a famous building. Yamuna is the name of a river. I have read the Bible several times. So Bible is the name of a holy book. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Here the sun, it is also of one particular thing. Okay, so we must use the before the particular name also, like sun. And the specific directions like east, west, south, north, they all are specific directions. We must use the before them. Rule number 3 is we also use the when the noun is one of its kind. For example, the highest mountain, the most intelligent girl, the most tallest girl in the class. Okay? And students always keep in mind that we use a and an with singular nouns. We use a or an before singular nouns, and we use the with both singular and plural nouns. Clear? And now we will apply our rules on some exercise. So dash monkey, here we have to place a or an before these words. Number 2, dash monkey, monkey. It starts with the consonant letter M. So as a rule we have to put A. Okay. Dash eagle. It starts with the letter E. It is a vowel. So we must put an here. Dash unicorn. So here the sound is like U. As I told you, we must put A. Okay. When such vowels sound as in U, that time we must put A before those words. Dash onion. Here O. O is a vowel. Okay, so we must put an. Germany is dash European country. Here E is a vowel, but when you pronounce the word European, it sounds U, right? So as a rule, we must put A before European. Akriti went to dash party last night. So party. Look at the first letter party, P. P is a consonant. As a rule, we must put A here. Okay. Mr. Bose is dash honorable man. Honorable. Although it starts with a consonant, but it sounds like a vowel. So we must put an. Okay. An honorable man. Similarly, an honest man also. Next, we are in page 57. Fill in the blanks using a, an or the. Eating dash apple a day is good for health. Apple, it starts with a, that is meant with a vowel. So as a rule, we must put an here. They are watching dash film. F, it is a consonant. So we must put a before film. Okay. Number 5. My brother didn't like dash book I asked him to read. Asked him to read. So my brother did not like the book I asked him to read. Here the answer is the, because we use the before the nouns that is spoken of once. Okay. Number 7. I ate dash pizza in the morning. Dash pizza was tasty. So first it is a singular noun, so we must put either a or an, but P is a consonant, right? So before consonant we must put a. And this time we have already talked about a pizza. So next time we will use the, right? Because the is used with the before the noun that is already spoken of. So the pizza was tasty. Clear? 12. It took us dash hour to reach the railway station. Hour. Similarly, an honest man, an honorable person, honorable. Hour. H is a consonant, but it sounds, when we pronounce it, it sounds like a vowel. So we must put an here. Okay. Now we are in page 59. Read the sentences. The words a and the are either missing or incorrectly used. So we have to correct them. So number 1 is we live in big city. What is missing here? Yes. A is missing here. We live in a big city. A big. B is a consonant, so we have to put A. I have the headache. No, the is wrongly written here. I have a headache. H is a consonant. I live in the Kolkata. The is wrongly written here. Here would be, the answer is I live in Kolkata. You know why? Because we don't use the before the name of place. Okay? Please return a book I lent you yesterday. Please return the book I lent you yesterday, because already we have talked about the book once. So the book. So in this way you all should try to complete your exercise nicely. But when you enter into the exercise, you must learn the rules provided by me. The rules of placing a and the before words correctly. Okay? Thank you.